Hello, is this St. Sophia's? Yeah, so I found a whole bunch of kittens in my garage last night, and I want to know if you could take any of them. No, you can't? You're full? Okay, thank you. They're full, they can't take any of the kittens.
Now what are we gonna do?
Hello, St. Sophia's. I need your help. I found 2 kittens underneath my deck.
Hello, this is St. Sophia's. You have kittens? Hang on, just a moment. Hello, St. Sophia's? You have kittens too? Where did you find them?
What are we gonna do with all these kittens? There's no room in here. They just keep coming. I mean, look at all of them. There's even a blue one. I can't even hold on to them anymore.
St. Sophia's is a nonprofit cat rescue serving the Chicagoland community. Our primary focus is helping cats who've never had homes before. We partner with TNR organizations and high-volume open admission animal controls throughout the state to rescue those most at risk for euthanasia due to space and overcrowding. Every spring, summer, and even into the fall, we're inundated with calls from the general public who have found kittens and need our help. The general solution is for them to drop the kittens off with us, if we've got the space, and then those people happily go on their way. But that leaves us doing all of the work with limited resources, funds, and space. And unfortunately, when we run out of any of those, we are forced to turn both the people and those kittens away. We have a community problem, and we need a community solution. How can we maximize our capacity for care without depleting our resources? Our solution is to help the public help themselves, to work together for a common goal, get the kittens off the streets, vetted appropriately, and eventually into adoptive homes. Introducing our Kitten Crash Landing Kits. Citizens call, and instead of saying yes, or instead of saying no, we ask, how can we help you, help us, help them? Can you foster? We provide our crash landing kit, and then we provide veterinary care, and we provide education and support. They provide the home and the love. This way, we're converting the kitten finders into kitten fosters, building a community that's aware of the issues and prepared to step in, and giving the community the power to make a positive impact on the animal